Did I?
Oh, sir.
Is some of this making sense yet? Kinda.
Coconut sits along a big tree, watching the world go around and around while he's looking at me. Says I'm a loony coconut in this coconut tree. Should I fall? Would you take care of me?
We're assembling for
Put
something.
me on the table, put me in a drink, put me anywhere but back up in the coconut tree. In the coconut tree. 'Cause I'm a loony coconut. 'Cause I'm a loony coconut. Everybody. I'm a loony coconut. A coconut tree. Coconut sits alone a big tree,
Tevis is in charge?
watching the world go around and around.
Oh, wow. How awesome is that? Something's under control.
In this coconut tree.
What's up, Gary?
Don't say hi to me, fucker.
Would you take care of me?
Flockers.
I
Flockers.
know.
Hi, Mark. Take care.
Now, where's your boat?
I gotta go look like I'm working.
Coconut tree. 'Cause I'm a loony coconut. 'Cause I'm a loony coconut. Everybody. I'm a loony coconut. It's the coconut tree.
Hey, Larry.
I'm a loony coconut.
Looking good. Thank you, Gary.
I'm a loony coconut.
Static in that speaker. No, I don't know.
I'm a loony coconut. In the coconut tree.
Thank you, CW, so much. We're getting ready now for our hurricane flag ceremony burning, but first we have a few announcements. I'd like to bring Tevis up here.
Commander, I have a mic over here for you with your name on it. I'm going to put you on the short cord, so come see me over here, please.
Well, how about that change of command ceremony that we just got? Is that fantastic? Yeah. Where's David? Who's going to blow the horn? Great.
All right,
I'd like to
blow all the
introduce
horns.
Sheila Sands Devendorf, who's the Conch Republic Secretary Interior of the Ulterior, and she'll welcome you for the end of hurricane season. Sheila, where are you?
Here she comes.
Welcome to the 18th annual burning of the hurricane flags. In 2004 and 2005, we had 8 evacuations in 10 months. Some of you will remember the names of the storms. One of them was Katrina, and the last one was Wilma. For those of you who were here, the island was underwater. Fantasy Fest was moved to December. So we're always grateful when we can get through 6 months of hurricane season without an evacuation and without damage. And we always think about those people who are in harm's way. And I would just like to welcome you all here, and here's to 6 months of like not having to worry about it.
We're going to have a presentation of the colors.
Well done.
And we're going to use the Civil Air Patrol formation during its earliest days of World War II. The Civil Air Patrol's missions for America are many, and today's adults and cadets perform their duties with the same vigilance as its founding members. I'd like to introduce the Color Guard team: Senior Cadet Master Sergeant Isaiah Fields, Cadet Staff Sergeant Judea Fields, Cadet Senior Airman Joanna Fields, and Cadet Senior Airman Wyatt Keaton. Would you come and present the colors? Sheila? Present colors. Would you lead us in the Pledge of Allegiance?
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Read your colors. Now, all of us here are part of an alternate reality. We really are a force to be reckoned with, and we really are a nation, Conch Republic nation. And if Finbar's nearby, I'd like you to lead us in an alternate reality, the Conch Republic Pledge of Allegiance. Finbar? Real loud.
Of our tiny island nation. And to the republic which it stands. One nation. Indivisible.
Captain Jim Gillian come up here. Secretary of State, Captain Jim Gillian.
We're gathered here on this historic spot here in Key West, the Conch Republic, celebrating the end of hurricane season, gathered together as one human family, celebrating the end of hurricane season and showing love for our community and each other. So congratulations for getting through hurricane season. Looking forward to a wonderful holiday season with family and friends. It's my pleasure to be here. We're going to light that flag. Yeah. You ready to light that flag?
First, we have to acknowledge the VIPs. I'd like the Mayor Terry, would you come on up here and say a word for us?
Of all the speeches that I give every year, this is my very, very favorite one because it marks the end of a relatively stressful time for all of us in Key West, and we were very lucky this year. We had a couple near misses, and we fared a lot better than the rest of the state of Florida. So, congratulations! And I just want to tell you, as mayor, I am so relieved that we are protected this island by the military forces here tonight with us. So thank you all, and have a wonderful holiday.
Travis?
So for those of you who weren't at the ceremony of the changing of command, I'd like to introduce some of our dignitaries. Of course, you all met Finbar, who is the retiring Supreme Commander. And I'd like to introduce Scarlett J. Summers. Speaker of the House, Paul Menta.
Bear of the rump.
Secretary of State, Jim Gillian. Chief Weather Gasper. Chief Weather Guesser. The weatherman for Key West, Chip Casper. From our Air Force, Raymond Cabanas and Susan Cabanas. Our CIA Director, Caroline Shorkey. 82nd Airborne, Nicole Sands. Army, Colonel Scarlett J. and Major Deadeye Rick. From the Marines, General Brian Hobbs.
Billy, I saw you. How about that, Billy?
Yeah, we were dropping toilet paper from the stars.
Get away from my friend. I know how you people steal from me.
Oh, they brought the whole damn family.
Yeah, the whole damn family.
It's like a barrel of pickles.
Now, there's one VIP I would like to mention.
I gotta remind him every 3 minutes to hold the mic in his face.
You look frighteningly normal.
You know, the Coast Guard had a
You look like Reverend Cueto to me.
You like my collar?
I like how you
But
make
the commander is still here. Commander Jason Ingram.
I didn't do it, Thomas. I didn't do it.
Come on up here. Last year, it was a little bit embarrassing. His big ship couldn't go out to join the fleet, and he had to send out one of his little 25-foot boats, who did a good job, but they had to surrender. So next year, like this year, your ass is ours.
Oh man, I thought we were going to be nice.
We are nice.
Oh, well, I told you it was a mail problem last year. The mail didn't deliver our parts to fix our cutter. We had some issues, but we have definitely fixed that. I am a little nervous because Finbar is hanging around. I thought Finbar was going to be retiring because it'd make it a lot easier for the United States Coast Guard to win this battle. But I look forward to that great battle every single year. And what a wonderful place in Key West to have an event like this. So I'm glad hurricane season's over. Thank Chip for keeping us safe. And everybody, please enjoy your evening.
Break out the Cuban bread.
Somebody said, break out the Cuban bread. And the rotten tomatoes. Well, next people I'd like to introduce. Master Chief of the, no. This year we're really indebted to the U.S. Navy. Chief Nico Hahn and Master Chief Geoff Joyner are with us today. Master Chief.
I didn't prepare a speech, but I know you can count on the Navy. If you need a warship, just call us. You got it?
Yeah.
Appreciate it. Have a good night. Thank you.
And of course, the U.S. Coast Guard Chief Warrant Officer Spurlock, and Senior Chief Monte Hano. Thank you. Now the next order of business is the flag burning. So let's get the U.S. government's chief weather officer, Chip Casper, in his official authority to start the ceremony.
Thank you, Tevis. Good evening, everybody. You know, the 2023 hurricane season was good to us. There were 21 named storms across the Atlantic, Gulf of Mexico, and Caribbean, none of which directly impacted the Florida Keys, thank goodness. So we're going to finally say goodbye to the 2023 season. Of course, enjoy the next 6 months. But remember, June 1st will come quickly, and we want to be hurricane prepared, as always, and I know you will. So by the power invested in me by the United States government, I can officially declare the end of the 2023 hurricane season.
Do your magic, Paul.
Okay, everybody.
So Paul Menta, are you ready with the rum?
Administer the rum.
I drink enough rum to make my voice crack. This bottle this year, after we do this, because thankfully we were spared from any hurricanes this year. This bottle will go to Admiral Finbar for him to keep as a memory of this day, and also for a little bit of love. One thing I would like to bring up and draw to your attention, the blue lei that I wear, the toast that I make before we burn the flag. This is in memory of our native son of the Conch Republic, Jimmy Buffett. So here's to the celebration of Jimmy Buffett and the end of hurricane season.
Oh, yeah.
Oh! And let us burn. Give it up. Hip, hip,
Good one, CW. He's right on time today. Working the crowd.
So this concludes flag burning ceremony. You're all invited up aboard the Ingram. The bar is open. And remember, you're not here for a long time. You're here for a good time.
Just saw nobody mouth, haven't seen in a minute. We were talking about back in the days, the crazy ways and how life we used to live. I got no regrets, I hit reset, there's only so much time to go. Take care, take this from me, my brother, before you go. You always got a friend in Key West, snow in the Rocky Mountain peaks. Oh, the song, Nashville's the best, but Neptune's the king of the sea. Some stars will fall from the sky, and life will put you through the test. Like the ocean is blue, and I love you. Always got a friend Key West. 5 days take me like a green flash into the sea. I think we ought to drive up to Islamorada. Got to see my friends from Tennessee. They left it all a few years ago for a postcard dream in the Keys. But now in paradise, living the best lives while the rest of them have to be. You always got a friend in Key West, water over Niagara Falls. Can't roller skate, buffalo herd, the writing's on the wall. Daybreak on my face, and then it sure makes me feel blessed. Like the water is blue and I love you. Always got a friend in Key West.
Our last one.
Working full time, living part time for headlines and deadlines. No way to live it at all. Everything's fine. Drop me a line, email, text, smoke signal, or just call. Sang every song on the Jeep speaker to the local Tiki Man radio. All the way down Gateway to mile marker 0. You got one night left when you can take off tomorrow at 3. But when you're 10 fades and you're sober up, I hope you remember me. You always got a friend in Key West, snow in the Rocky Mountain peaks. For a song, Nashville's the best. There's only one road in the Keys. Some stars will fall from the sky and life will put you through the test. Like the ocean is blue, I love you. Always got a friend. The water's cool and so are you. Always got a friend in Key West. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on to Key West. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on to Key West. Go on Clark someday, an alien sang to navigate. He said, won't you please bring your family in Florida Keys? It's the place to be. It's the place to be. As the alien sang his song, he said, I knew they'd love it. They're buried in a bucket, and if you sing it out loud, it'll please the crowd. It'll make you a whole lot of money, so they all sang. Alligators in Alligatorville. Alligators in Alligatorville. Come with me where the alligators sing in the Florida Keys. It's just south of Miami. The devil took the stage encourage all the alligators to sing it out and sing. Then all of them were dancing, all of them were tame, all of them knew there was someone to blame. As they all sang, alligators, they don't talk. Alligators sing. So come with me where the alligators sing in the Florida Keys. It's just south of Miami. The devil was pleased what the alien had done. So he said, I think it's time to have some fun. He called for the tourists, all of them to come. With them came into an alligator song. All the magic was gone. You never hear another alligator song singing alligators. They don't talk. Alligators, alligators sing. Alligators, they don't talk. Alligators, alligators sing. So come with me where the alligators sing in the Florida Keys. It's just south of Miami. Where the alligators sing in the Florida Keys. It's just south of Miami. In the Florida Keys. Where is it? It's just south of Miami. Right here in the Florida Keys. Coming into the Keys at nearly 92 miles. Left me walking 2 steps behind what remained the unseen. Broken dreams and some promises made my intentions seem unclean. It's just another broken brand new iron I've got to mend. Makes me a Key Western cowboy. Key Western cowboy. Key Western cowboy without a horse. On this rock I roll. So get him, 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 go. I said get him, 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 go. On this rock I roll. Riding a fence of a different kind. All the little doggies in line. But I'll be the first one to stray when I hear someone say that he's the Key Western cowboy. Key Western cowboy. Key Western cowboy without a horse. On this rock I roll. I said get him, 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 go. I said get him, 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 go. On this rock I roll. Yeah. of applause for the lead guitar player this evening. Give it up. Thank you, thank you. If you see me mosey by, don't forget to say hi. 'Cause I've been singing in a honky tonk with just a roughly different sound. Makes me a Key Western cowboy. Key Western cowboy. Key Western cowboy without a horse. On this rock I roll. I said, get him, 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 go. I said, get him, 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 go. On this rock I roll. Thank you folks for showing up for the burning of the flag. I'm C.W. Colt. It's time for me to roll on out of here. But before I go, I'm going to leave you with some words I know from my dear friend, Captain Tony. He gave me these words to give to you today. You live your life, and you remember that every one of your heartbeats count. And take care. Take care of your fellow man with compassion. Have compassion for each other. Because we're all just one human family living on a little tiny planet in a great big universe. And on this rock I roll. On this rock I roll. On this rock I roll. Love your family, love your friends, and love a place like Key West, Florida. Thank you for being here.
Ladies and gentlemen, the one and only Sir C.W. Colt. The Conch Republic Royal Minstrel for going on 75 years now. No, he's not that old. Thank you all for coming out. We got refreshments up on the boat. We got the girls from the CIA giving stuff out over here. They got it. Wait, no, they're selling sodas and waters for the foster children program. Valerie. Val, if you can hear me, you should come tell me what I'm saying. I'd like to thank the entire Conch Republic Aerospace program for coming out today in full force, all 7 of us. Oh, there's one there. Hey, look, there's one there. Oh, look, there's one there. We should sign up Captain Mark and Captain Kim in the Conch Republic Aerospace program, I do believe. There's a sign-up sheet right here at our booth. Thank you, Tiki Man Radio. Thank you, CW's Rody Falari. You've done very good today. There was no bloodshed. And like I always like to say after a good gig, no one went to jail. Yeah. All right, let's play some music for you guys. And I think we've got some festivities going on up in the boat on the good ship Lollipop. Val, you don't want to speak to the people on behalf of the CIA? You got nothing? Nothing, look at her. Oh, there's cake. We haven't cut the cake yet. Okay, you guys like cake? I know you like cake, Sweet G. Grab whatever you need. You want one of that? Yeah, grab one of that. You want one of these? You want one of those? I got Captain Boo for U.S. President stickers here. They're free today. What else you want? You want one of that? Yeah, you might as well. We were going to sell them. We figured it's more fun giving them away.
You're not traveling.
Right? I think you should have them for your, oh, now you got to do an interview. Valeria McCall, my favorite hairdresser except for my gay one. My not gay hairdresser. I want you to thank everybody on behalf of the CIA.
Thank you all for coming and for watching the wonderful burden ceremony. Let's have another great year. Let's have a festive holiday season. Let's all be safe and let us enjoy our time here in Key West. Thank you so much, and come back and see us.
She makes the CIA proud. Good girl. Thank you, Valerie. I'll see you next week, probably. I'm growing out my hair. Brian, how adept are you? I need I need 2 more hands.
Now we Dave met his one brother.
What is it? Did it come out of his yard? Looks like a damn chicken egg. Is that a damn chicken egg? Is my camera still on? Oh, look. There's the guy that stole the chicken egg.